up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So for this video you guys are going to be getting a POV drive of the Z now that it's fully tuned. For those of you guys that missed my last video, so the car ended up making 545 wheel horsepower with 470 torque to the wheels, significantly a lot more than the last tune, especially on the torque end. Like I guess I got the torque numbers wrong. I guess it was 417 the last tune and now it's 470, so that's a huge difference. That's why the tires spin really bad. For those of you guys that don't know, I do have a rear mount turbo kit connected to this beautiful Tomy. Those of you guys that might be new to the channel, soon on this video is mainly going to be a POV drive, so there won't be a lot of talking, and let's get right into it.
Flashback. End of flashback.
Alright guys, well that's pretty much gonna conclude today's video. I apologize for the short video, but yeah guys, I'm very happy to finally have this car dialed in. I was actually talking to my tuner, and I might get some upgraded MAP sensors so we could turn up the power a little bit more. Although I am very happy with these numbers, I mean, a little power doesn't hurt, I guess. So yeah, that may or may not be coming soon. I don't know. I am kind of happy with the horsepower, so I don't really care to turn it up. I do want to see how this performs on the street, so probably want to get a few runs in before I do that. If I even do that, I don't know. I don't really care, honestly. 545 is more than enough for me for a stock motor, because obviously the more you turn it up, the more like nerve-wracking it gets, you know. The stock motor could hold about 600 wheel. Torque wise, it could hold 500, I believe. It's like around that area, so I'm kind of starting to push it a little bit. And obviously if I turn it up, I'm gonna be pushing my luck a little bit, but that's what it's all about, honestly. One of these race cars, I mean, you gotta full send it sometimes, and if stuff breaks, stuff breaks. But yeah guys, I am very happy for this car to finally be dialed in. Like I said, literally bro, it's funny because like these past couple of days I've been just about this car. I look, kind of forgot I had this car. Like I came out to the garage, was it this morning, and I looked at it and I was like, oh damn, I forgot I had this. It's funny. But yeah guys, I hope you guys all enjoy this video. If you guys enjoy this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell button so you expert whenever I post, and catch you guys on the next one. If you guys have any video ideas or things you want to see on the channel, feel free to comment down below or hit me up on Instagram. Peace out guys.